Hello, my dear students. This is Rupali teacher, and today we are going to study EVS 2. EVS 2 में हम देखेंगे lesson number 15. What is the name of the lesson? A memorable ceremony. Okay, children. Now the exams are coming in the month of March. We are going to have exams, so be prepared for it. Even if it is online, we have to be sincere. हमको sincerely पढ़ाई करनी है और अच्छे मार्क्स लाने हैं. So let's start the question answers. Children, if you have studied the lesson properly, अगर आप लोगों ने lesson को अच्छे से पढ़ा है तो आपके लिए ये बहुत easy हो जाएगा question answers करना. So the title of the lesson is A Memorable Ceremony. When Shivaji decided to crown himself as a king. So where this process took place, in which year, what all things were done at that time, everything we are going to say in this lesson. I hope you all have already studied this lesson so that it will become very easy for you to answer the question answers. Now let's start. Fill in the blanks is the question number 1. Okay, so what is first question here? Fill in the blanks. Shivaji selected Rajgarh as the capital of Swaraj. Rajgarh or Raigad, I'm sorry. Rajgarh was the first capital. Now Raigad is the second capital. So after the Swaraj was established, Shivaji took Raigad as the capital of his kingdom. Fill in the blanks 2. After, we are reading this, after ablution by the sacred waters, Shivaji Maharaj got up and bowed before Jija Mata. You must be remembering lesson में आया है ऐसा कि 7 रिवर्स के पानी से शिवाजी को नहलाया गया था. इसके बाद उन्होंने क्या किया? He bowed before जीजा माता. अपनी मम्मी के आगे उन्होंने अपने सर को झुका दिया. Question number 3. Shivaji's coronation ceremony took place in the year 1674. Okay, 1674 में शिवाजी का कोरोनेशन सेरेमनी हुआ था. Remember, this year is very important. Nearly 50,000 people gathered at the fort Raigad. Nearly 50,000 people gathered at Raigad for the coronation ceremony. Almost 50,000 लोग, काफ़ी बड़े numbers हैं. So remember it. Shivaji Maharaj inspected the troops at Chiploon before coronation. Chiploon is the name of a place. Remember the spelling, children. 6th one. Shivaji Maharaj took darshan of goddess Bhavani at Pratapgarh and presented a golden canopy. Now remember, the relation of goddess Bhavani and Shivaji was since childhood. So if before taking the oath, he took the darshan of goddess भवानी देवी के दर्शन के बाद उन्होंने कोरोनेशन सेरेमनी को संपन्न किया. Okay, 7th. Shivaji Maharaj started the coronation calendar from the year of this coronation. जब उनका कोरोनेशन हुआ तो उन्होंने एक कैलेंडर स्टार्ट किया. उस कैलेंडर का नाम था कोरोनेशन कैलेंडर. Gaga Bhatt performed the coronation ceremony of Shivaji Maharaj in 1674. Which priest has performed it? I'm sorry, children. It's priest. So Gaga Bhatt performed the coronation ceremony. Gaga Bhatt was the priest. Priest मतलब पंडित. और उन्होंने शिवाजी महाराज की coronation ceremony को perform किया. Now name the persons and places. Performed the coronation ceremony of Shivaji Maharaj, Gaga Bhatt. The envoy of the English who attended the coronation ceremony. एक ब्रिटिश जिसने शिवाजी के कोरोनेशन सेरेमनी को अटेंड किया उसका नाम था ऑक्सिंडन. Place where coronation ceremony took place, it was Raigad. Okay, the goddess whose darshan Shivaji Maharaj took prior to coronation, Bhavani. Capital of Shivaji's kingdom, Raigad. Raigad was selected as the capital of Shivaji's kingdom. Answer the following questions. Now question number 3. The water of which 7 rivers was filled in the golden vessel? So कौन से 7 नदियों का पानी शिवाजी महाराज की कोरोनेशन सेरेमनी में यूज़ किया गया था? तो इट वॉज फ्रॉम गंगा, सिंधु, यमुना, गोदावरी, कृष्णा, नर्मदा, कावेरी। सारी नदियों के नाम याद रखिए। सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट, ये सारी तो कॉमन है, वी ऑल नो अबाउट देम, ओनली सिंधु नदी इज समथिंग विच इज़ डिफरेंट, so remember it also. Which calendar did Shivaji Maharaj start from the year of coronation? The name of the calendar was coronation calendar. So he started coronation calendar. Okay, now question number 3. What did the British do on the occasion of Shivaji's coronation? What special arrangement the British did? The British sent their envoy Oxenden with valuable presents to attend the coronation ceremony. उन्होंने अपने एनवॉय को भेजा, ऑक्सिडेन नाम था जिसका, और उनके साथ में बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स भी भेजे शिवाजी के कोरोनेशन सेरेमनी के दिन. वाई डिड शिवाजी महाराज सेलेक्ट रायगढ़ एज द कैपिटल ऑफ हिज किंगडम? रायगढ़ क्यों चूज़ किया? बहुत सारे फेमस फोर्ट्स थे अपार्ट फ्रॉम रायगढ़. Shivaji selected Raigad as the capital of his kingdom because Raigad was a strong hill fort and it was easy to administer the kingdom and keep a watch on the enemy from Raigad. शिवाजी हमेशा दिमाग बुद्धि यूज़ करते थे अपना. He always used to use his mind. He was very sharp and his decisions were always right. So thinking about the position of Raigad, रायगढ़ की जो पोजीशन थी वो सेफ थी. इट वॉज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग हिल फोर्ट एंड वहाँ से एडमिनिस्टर करना ईजी था और एनिमीज़ के तरफ नज़र रखना भी ईजी था. सो दैट इज़ वाई ही चोज इट. ओके, नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. वाई डिड शिवाजी महाराज गेट हिमसेल्फ क्राउन? शिवाजी महाराज गॉट हिमसेल्फ क्राउन बिकॉज he wanted everyone to know that Swaraj was firmly established. So children, these were the question answers of the lesson, a memorable ceremony, lesson number 15. Again, once I'm going to scroll it down, you all can take screenshots or you can write down in your notebook, prepare the notes. I wish you all the best for your exams if they are coming. Okay, good luck and soon please comment in the comment box if you need any lessons notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.